practicing yoga moves us into that parasympathetic dominant state with the nervous system. So essentially, this is what we refer to as the rest and digest state. When this part of our nervous system is dominant, and this is where we're functioning from, we know that concentration improves. We know that memory improves. But we also know that creativity is much, much more effective when we're in this nervous system dominant rest and digest parasympathetic state. So, this is the other thing. If you were to sort of just spend your time rolling around on your yoga mat, just breathing for the most part, that could essentially bring you into a more parasympathetic state. Yin yoga, which we've spoken about, it's beautiful for doing that. It does that so effectively. And of course, mindfulness meditation, et cetera, the list goes on. But that really, I think for us, should be a goal where we try and shift ourselves away from that fight or flight, away from that anxiety and that high stress functioning, and more towards that really calm rest and digest state.